If you want to go back on POCO F7, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then all you have to do in order to go back is simply press the triangle button. This triangle button indicates 1 step back. So if you open an app and if you proceed to any app, then you can tap on the back button in order to go back to the previous page. Now, on the other hand, if you use the gestures for navigation, like so, then in that case, in order to go 1 step back, you can simply drag your finger from the left side of the phone towards the middle like this. As you can see, we have this indicator, this arrow that shows us that we are about to go back. Of course, we can just simply swipe like this. We don't have to hold for any amount of time. A simple swipe works as well. Sometimes we can also swipe from the right side if it's more convenient. And of course, you can swipe from the right side inwards in the phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.